Varli is one of the oldest form of Indian folk art and has its origin in the Varli region of Maharashtra. This make use of geometric shapes such as circles, triangles and squares. Circles is derived from sun and moon, triangle from mountains and the square is the human invention of sacred enclosure. The painting has brown background which would basically be a mixture of mud and cow dung cakes. The white pigment used to draw shapes and figures would be a mixture of rice mixed with water and gum. One of the most popular themes in Varli art is a spiral chain of human around one central motif. This in accordance with their belief that life is an eternal journey and it has no beginning and end. Varli can be learnt even by the kids under 5 years of age. African art is not just something created to be hung on a wall and viewed from a distance. It is an integral part of the daily life. The most common objects have meaning and purpose which turns them into art. There are many regions in Africa and each region has different art that reflects historical, cultural and religious values. In Central Africa, the art represents time and symbolic rites. In Northern Africa, this art is of preserved rock paintings. In Western Africa, this art made with wax castings in bronze, copper and brass. In Southern Africa, it is like everyday objects like masks and sculptures. Even today, African art is used in masks, dolls, sculptures, bowls and even in jewelries. Madhubani paintings, also known as Mithila paintings, are the folk art form of Mithila region of Bihar. In past, Madhubani paintings was done using fingers, twigs. Now matchsticks and pen nibs are also used. Usually, bright colors are used in these paintings with an outline made from rice paste as its framework. These paintings rarely have blank spaces. Borders are often embellished with geometric and floral patterns. These painting uses natural dyes. For example, Madhubani paintings in black and white often use charcoal and soot for the black color. The theme of Madhubani painting usually include natural elements like fish, birds, animals, turtle, sun, moon, bamboo trees and flowers like a lotus. The mandala is a centering space for the self and the soul, an art therapy tool for making order out of disorder. Mandala is a Sanskrit word for magic circle. Nearly every culture uses mandalas or circular images in their culture or spiritual practices. Our earth is a mandala. There are mandalas in nature and man-made design everywhere we look. Once you start to notice them, you will see them everywhere. Anyone can make a mandala. If you meditate or draw a mandala mindfully, you can experience a relaxed and connected sense of being and feel that everything in life is connected in some way. Pointillism or dot painting is the finest of minute marks neatly arranged on the canvas. Some artists merge their dots into lines or even into wide area of connecting dots which have more of a stippled effect than a dotted appearance. The defining criteria for a dot painting is the technique used, that it is produced by repeated imprints of a paint covered brush, dotting sticks or other implement onto the surface of a painting, and that in doing so they are recognizable dot marks on the canvas. Oil pastels. Everybody likes to paint with oil pastels because of the softness and the creamy texture you can get, especially when mixing colors or layering colors. Oil pastels are considered a fast medium because they are easy to paint with and convenient to carry. For this reason, they are often used for sketching but can also be used for sustained works. Zentagle is an easy to learn, relaxing, and fun way to create beautiful images by drawing structured patterns. We call these patterns tangles. You create tangle with combination of dots, lines, simple curves, S-curves, and orbs. These simple shapes are the elemental strokes in all Zentagle art. Zentagle art is a non-representational and unplanned, so you can focus on each stroke and not worry about the result. You don't need to know what a tangle is going to look like to draw it. You just need to know the steps. The result is a delightful surprise. As you use the Zentagle method to create beautiful images, you likely will enjoy increased focus, creativity, self-confidence, and an increased sense of well-being. Lipan art. Mud and mirror work is known as Lipan Kam. It is a traditional mural craft of Kutch. The Kutch people live in a circular mud houses known as bangas. Bangas are made of clay alone or bamboo chips plastered with lipan, a mixture of clay and dung. The dung used is that of a camel or wild ass and acts as a binding agent as it is rich in fibers. The clay used is mud which has been passed through a sieve to obtain fine particles that mix more easily. Equal proportions of dung and clay are mixed and kneaded to form the dough used for Lipan Kam. Kerala mural work painting is an artwork painted or applied directly onto walls, ceilings, or any other permanent surfaces. The material used in mural artwork like pigments, brushes, gums, etc. are all taken off natural materials from the plants. The most frequently used pigments in Kerala murals are saffron red, saffron yellow, green, red, white, blue, black, yellow and golden yellow. The temples and palaces of Kerala are all a visual treat with Hindu gods and goddesses. The murals of Kerala evolved through the significant influence of ancient Dravidian ritual like Kalameludhu and Patayani. Nowadays, mural paintings are even done in fabrics like saris, salwars, shirts, etc.